everyone, my name is Violet and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my April 2020 BOXYCHARM base box unboxing video. If you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM, it's a $25 a month subscription service where you're guaranteed 5 to 6 full-sized items in this box with a retail value of over $125. I have found so many Holy Grail products in these boxes since I've been receiving them, and I have repurchased a lot of products I've received in this box. BOXYCHARM is a great subscription if you're just leaning into makeup and skincare and you're looking to discover great products without having to go buy them at full price first. I'm feeling very 90-ish today. I have refrained from looking at any sneak peeks or anything this month because I knew I was going to be receiving this box and I knew I was starting a YouTube channel, so I wanted it to be a complete surprise. I do know my choice item though. Every month they have a 1-day window for 24 hours where you could choose one item in your box, and they usually give you about 2 or 3 products to choose from. And we're just going to go ahead and dive right into this BOXYCHARM. So here is what the box looks like when you open it. The box comes with this little card that has descriptions of the products and the retail price of those products, and it also has informative information on different brands they're partnering with and different coupon codes sometimes. The first item I received in my box is actually my choice item, and it's this Elemis Superfood Calm Hydration Juice. I am always on the hunt for a good facial moisturizer considering my face is extremely dry, so every time I see a moisturizer as one of the choice products in BOXYCHARM, I most likely am going to pick it. The matching cleanser to this item was actually also a choice item, but I did not choose that one. I actually went ahead and added it on in the BOXYCHARM add-ons. Let's go ahead and read a little bit about it. So this product says, loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe, this gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced-looking complexion. So I'm really excited to try this out and see if it actually helps hydrate my dry skin because my skin is so extremely dehydrated and I have no clue why because I drink gallons of water. And this stuff retails for $48, which is very pricey, already over the price of the box. The next product I got in my box is this Benefit POREfessional Smoothing Face Primer. And this is what the product looks like. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and read about this. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. And this retails for $32. I actually already know I really like this stuff. I have purchased it before, and the funny thing is I honestly just purchased the hydrating version and it's on its way to my house. So at least I'll have both now. The next item in this box is the makeup eraser in the Sunset shade. I actually really enjoy these. I used to have one, but then it got lost in the process of moving apartments. These retail for $22, and the description says, the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erase waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, more. Made with premium patented polyester featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. Okay, so I really do agree with those claims. I never felt the need to go in with any type of cleansing balm or anything after I would remove my makeup with this. I would just go in with this, then cleanse my face and do my skincare routine as normal, so I definitely feel like it took off all my waterproof makeup. I wear a lot of waterproof makeup working in the food industry because I like the longevity of the makeup, so this definitely helps erase all the waterproof makeup I have on my face at the end of the day. The next item in my box are these cute little green Hank & Henry sponges, and these are called Hank & Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle. I wonder if it's called Midori because the color of it kind of reminds you of a Midori sour. I don't know. Just a thought. The description says, these beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile. All over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for a fuller coverage. So I am really interested to try out these sponges. I find it very hard to step out of my comfort zone, step away from my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge or my Beauty Blender, but I'm definitely going to give these a try and see how good they apply my foundation. The sponge feels really firm, but it doesn't feel like it will soak up that much product. It's not as squishy as my Real Techniques sponge or a Beauty Blender. but it does feel really nice. This little one right here is also so cute. It will be so cute for doing under eye concealer, or you can contour your nose with it. It's just so tiny and cute. Last item in my box is this lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. And these retail for $29. The description says, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. I love getting brushes in makeup subscription boxes. I don't think I've had to buy brushes for probably like a year because I keep getting them in subscription boxes, and most of the time they're good brushes. I have had a lot of really bad brushes that I've gotten in subscription boxes, so maybe I'll do a video talking about bad brushes. But these ones look really nice and really pretty. So the first one we have is this pink one, and it's a tapered blending brush. This yellow one is a fine liner brush. This blue one is an eye shading brush. They feel really soft and durable too. The orange one is a pencil brush. This will be perfect for smudging out eyeshadow on your lower lash line. And the green one is a brow groomer. It has the brush end on one side and the spoolie on the other. I'm really excited to try these brushes out, and I will keep y'all updated on how I like them. So now is the time to go through this whole box and add up the whole retail value of it. So this Elemis Superfood Hydrating Juice retails for $48. The Benefit Professional retails for $32. The Makeup Eraser retails for $22. The Hank & Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Duo retails for $20. And the Lavish 5-piece eye brush set retails for $29.99. So the retail value of this whole box retails for $151.99, so that's almost $152 for a $25 subscription box. So just to go over it again, we have the Elemis Superfood Calm Hydration Juice, the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer, the Makeup Eraser in the Sunset shade, the Hank & Henry Midori Sponge Bundle, and the Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush set. So all in all, I'm very happy with this box. I know I'll use every product in it, and I am not disappointed whatsoever. Usually every month there's about 1 or 2 items in the box that I don't use, but this one I will use everything. This is honestly probably my favorite box of 2020 so far. It's definitely bringing me into the more spring vibe moment. If you're interested in subscribing to BOXYCHARM, I'll go ahead and leave the link right below in the video description so you can go ahead and check it out. Alright, so that was my April 2020 BOXYCHARM base box unboxing. I am really new here, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe and be notified every time I upload. I hope everyone stays safe out there. I hope everyone's taking time to really reflect on what you want to do and doing things that make you happy during this hard time, because I know that I am going a little stir crazy in the house, so me just getting on camera talking to you guys about makeup is one of my favorite things, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing that to keep my mind distracted from all the craziness. Alright, and this concludes my April 2020 BOXYCHARM unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and please subscribe. Have a great day.